Something I forgot in that last video, I'm going to hit Command K in order to bring up the preferences. Command K, Photoshop Preferences. Open this up and go down to Units and Rulers. And the column size doesn't matter because we're going to do layouts with columns if we do that in Illustrator or InDesign. But the new document preset resolutions. Print resolution, this is 300 pixels by pixels per inch by default. That's for a process printer. 360 or 180 is for an inkjet printer. We've got a great big Pro inkjet printer in the room, and we're going to be working at 180, not 360. So go ahead and change our print resolution to 180 and click OK. All right, now we're done with preferences for now. In future projects, we'll be changing certain preferences depending upon our needs and probably covering what else I forgot, because chances are I have forgotten something.